Hi kids! Welcome to Kitty Brain TV. In today's video, we're going to discover 20 amazing snakes from around the world.
Cobra. This is a cobra.
A famous snake known for its hood and strong venom.
Python. This is a python.
A large, non-venomous snake that squeezes its prey.
Anaconda. This is an anaconda.
One of the biggest snakes in the world, found in rivers.
Viper. This is a viper.
A venomous snake with sharp fangs and a triangular head.
Rattlesnake. This is a rattlesnake.
It makes a rattling sound with its tail to warn enemies.
King cobra. This is a king cobra.
The world's longest venomous snake, known as the Snake King.
Coral snake. This is a coral snake.
A colorful snake with red, yellow, and black bands.
Boa constrictor. This is a boa constrictor.
A big snake that squeezes its food tightly.
Green tree python. This is a green tree python.
A bright green snake that lives in trees.
Sea snake. This is a sea snake.
A snake that lives and swims in the ocean.
Milk snake. This is a milk snake.
A harmless snake that looks like a coral snake.
Garter snake. This is a garter snake.
A common, friendly snake often found in gardens.
Black mamba. This is a black mamba.
One of the fastest and most dangerous snakes in the world.
Ball python. This is a ball python.
A small, gentle snake often kept as a pet.
Hognose snake. This is a hognose snake.
A cute snake with a turned-up nose.
Water snake. This is a water snake.
A snake that loves swimming in ponds and rivers.
Grass snake. This is a grass snake.
A harmless snake that lives in grassy areas.
Copperhead. This is a copperhead.
A venomous snake with a copper-colored head.
Bush viper. This is a bush viper.
A bright green snake that lives in trees in Africa.
Sand boa. This is a sand boa.
A small snake that hides under sand and soil.